Yes, it is a video which is based upon the topic as the difference point between some of the methods of asexual reproduction. At first, the difference between binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission give rise to produce two individual, whereas in multiple fission method, the production of individual takes place either two or more than two, or the production of more number of individuals. Second difference point is that binary fission occurs under only favorable condition, whereas multiple fission takes place in both the condition favorable and unfavorable. In binary fission method, nucleus of the parent cell divides only once to form two daughter cells or two daughters, whereas in multiple fission method, nucleus of the parent undergoes repeated divisions to form a number of daughter nuclei. Such numbers of daughter nuclei are produced inside the cyst, that is in during unfavorable condition. Cyst is the hard cover produced upon the parent body. The next difference point is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm of the cell undergoes cleavage. Cleavage means in division, that is after each nuclear division. Means to say that the division of cytoplasm takes place after each nuclear division in binary fission method, whereas cytoplasm doesn't divide after every nuclear division in multiple fission. Now the next point is no part of the parent body is left unused, whereas in multiple fission method a part of the body, which are the covering and residual cytoplasm, both are left behind. The examples of binary fission in the organisms which takes place are the amoeba, paramecium, whereas multiple fission method takes place in plasmodium, amoeba. That's all are the difference point between the binary fission and multiple fission. Now, the next difference point is in between fission and fragmentation. Fission and budding. Fission occurs only in unicellular organism, whereas budding is found in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. In fission, parent divides into two or many daughters, whereas in budding, a parent doesn't divide but give rise one or more outer growths. These growths are the bud-like structures, which are the bulb-like projections upon the parent body produced upon parent body. These buds further develop to form new individuals. The next difference point is the identity. In fission method, the identity of parent is lost during the formation of new individuals, whereas in budding method, the parent retains its identity during budding. Means identity of parent is not lost in budding method. The next point is the sequence. In fission method, the nucleus divides at first, then after cytoplasm. The division of nucleus is followed by the cleavage of cytoplasm, whereas in budding, in unicellular forms, cellular outgrowths develops first, then after nuclear division takes place. Means to say that production of buds takes place at first, then after the division of nucleus. The organisms in which fission occurs are the amoeba, paramecium, euglena, whereas the examples of budding method takes place in planaria, yeast and hydra. These organisms multiply by the help of bud. Thanks. These are the different points between the fission and budding.